Hello everyone, this is Ankit. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever noticed something? In real life, whenever you speak naturally, confidently, and with expression. When you are talking with any person in any group, normally you speak naturally and confidently and you show your expression. But the moment camera turns on, your face becomes serious, your voice becomes flat, and suddenly you feel like you are sitting in an interview. Your speech become like you are being interviewed. If this happens to you, if this happened to you, then this video is exactly what you need. Because today we are going to talk about how to speak confidently on camera, express emotions, and make your communication engaging. First, let's understand what is the real problem. The problem is not that you can't speak. The problem is when the camera turns on, your brain switches to performance mode. You go into performance mode. You start thinking, how am I looking? What if I make a mistake? And what will people think when they see this video? And because of this overthinking, your natural flow get blocked. Here is the truth. You are not afraid of the camera. You are afraid of judgment. And when your focus shifts to yourself, your expression automatically become restricted. There are multi-layered solutions for this problem. We will discuss one by one. Most powerful technique is don't treat the camera like a device. Treat it like a person. Imagine you are explaining. Imagine you are explaining and speaking with one specific individual, like a student, a friend, or a curious listener. Now try starting like this. Many people ask me a question. Notice what happens. Your tone instantly become more natural and conversational as you start treating camera like a real person, like an individual. Next point is expression is not about acting. While you express yourself in recording any video, you are not acting. Expression comes from when you say with feeling. Whatever you say with feeling. For example, you may say, confidence is important. This is a flat line. You can say in different way. Confidence can completely change your life. You can see the difference. In second sentence, you are more emotionally connected to the idea. So remember this rule. Don't just say words. You should feel the meaning while speaking. Now we come to voice modulation. That is a game changer. If your voice is monotone, it is in same tone all through the video. Your content will sound boring. You have to fix this with some approaches. First is emphasis. You should highlight important word in your script, whatever you have to tell, and then emphasize on that highlighted word. See this example. Confidence is built through action. Confidence is built through action. So you have to emphasize on this word action. In this similar way, you can emphasize on important words of the script. Next is pause. You have to pause so that your audience has time to understand what you are saying. They get mental break to understand. You give them some moment so that they can understand your message, what you are conveying. So, pause creates a good impact on your audience. Whenever you pause, it becomes more engaging. It raises curiosity level. The listener wants to understand what you are saying. You give them time. Next point is a speed variation. When you are giving some important ideas, you should speak slower. And during normal conversation, normal explanation, you have to be on moderate pace. Normally, you should avoid being much fast in delivering any content, any messaging. You should not be much fast. You should be calm and relaxed. When you speak at the same speed, it becomes much boring. But when there is variation, depending upon what you are saying, what is the content, it becomes engaging. Your audience, your listener gets engaged with you, what you are saying. They get directly connected with you. Next point is you should control your hand movements while speaking. In several times, you will notice that you are making gestures much more than required. And when your hand movement, your gesture becomes more than required, rather than conveying message, it becomes much distracting. Your listener get distracted through unnecessary movement. So you should be careful in this point that make gestures only when required. Not in every sentence you should keep so much movement in your hand. You don't require much hand movement in every sentence. When you are explaining something or explaining a key idea, then you should have hand movement. Next, let's understand facial expression. How can we unlock our facial expression? Whenever there is a flat face without expression, like we can say poker face, it comes due to overthinking and self awareness. Whenever you think a lot, overthink rather than acting, your face become flat. There is no expression on camera. You for fixing this, whenever you start recording, gently smile for 2 seconds before recording. You let eyebrows move naturally and use examples and stories to convey your message. Because when you are in a story mode, you give examples, you tell stories to people, your expression comes naturally. You become easily expressible. Your expression is there on your face, it is not flat. Now let's come to last point, engagement formula. There is there any trick that will help out in engagement? Yes, there is one. There are multiple, but we will discuss one technique. This is question technique. When you start your content, at first ask question, then you explain that point, and thereafter give an example. So that question, explanation, and example, your listener become engaged and understand it in systematic way. And when you ask question, you generate a curiosity. When you explain, they get to understand. And when you give example, they connect to the right point. They understand what you are exactly saying. Let's see with an example. Here is a question. Why do people feel nervous in front of a camera? Because their focus shift to themselves. They get too much conscious of their self. Just like as you feel in a interview situation. See this structure. This keeps your audience mentally involved because at first you asked a question, then explained, and thereafter gave an example. Whenever you start recording any video, you face much problem in the beginning. You can say in the initial 1 minute, you feel much awkward before camera. To solve this problem, for 20-30 seconds, you speak freely. You discuss any idea what you want to speak to get in the flow. Don't worry about perfection. You should not run after perfection in the beginning. And thereafter, start with your main content. Basically, 1 minute, you do just random practice so that you come in the flow and then take a pause and thereafter start your main content. And before uploading video, you cut the initial part so that the audience get the main content. They don't get distracted by your practice. Next step is how to shift from script to natural speaking. In the beginning, when you start practicing on speaking on camera, you should use a script. It is completely fine. But gradually transition to bullet points, that rather than paragraph, you take bullet points and explain yourself. After that, in next step, you use keywords, that there are 5 keywords for, let's assume, and you speak on every keyword. Because when you will speak from your own mind, you will think and speak, not just reading. The audience will feel really engaged. There would be real engagement. So this system will help you a lot. Now, final point is you have to shift the mindset. This is also very important. You don't think, how do I look? You think, am I explaining the point clearly? Am I delivering the message clearly? You should focus on message, not yourself. And whenever your focus shift to messaging and messaging become clear, your confidence will naturally increase. Your viewers will naturally get engaged with, your audience will get engaged with what you say. Now you have got the point that camera confidence, being confident before camera, speaking naturally before camera is not a talent, it is a skill. And anyone can get this, and anyone can get this skill by training, by practice. Either someone else can train you or you can self train yourself. Just practice and get yourself trained to speak well before camera. You should speak with emotions, use pauses, and emphasize on the point that is important. And talk as if you are speaking with a real person. Your communication will automatically become much engaging and much powerful. Hope you like this video and give your feedback in the comment section. Do write how this video is. And if you want that I make a video on certain topic, do comment so that I will record a video on the topic. And like this video, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Bye for now. Let's meet in next video. Thank you.